Preventive maintenance work order. Preventive maintenance work orders are scheduled routine maintenance that is done on assets to prevent costly equipment failure. Preventive maintenance falls between reactive maintenance or run to failure and predictive maintenance. Preventive maintenance work orders include resource requirements, instructions, checklists, and notes for each task. They are also put on a schedule to ensure the maintenance task is performed at a specific time interval.